welcome back. Today I will show you how to uninstall the program. So let me uninstall that GIMP program again. So yep, come here. I told you the concept of dpkg manager, right? So write dpkg space minus minus list, and it will show you all the program which is in the list. So just try to look for that program called GIMP. So yep, here it was. I seen it. Just go above, and here he is. Yes, this is the program, right? So first of all, the thing you should remember, you need this program name. You can't type anything, so just copy this program name, and after this run the command which I'm going to tell. Type, let me clear first screen. So sudo minus apt get, right? Sudo space apt minus get. I hope you remember, this is your friend. So apt get is helped you to install, he will help you to remove as well. And what you want to remove, just paste it. So I want to remove this game. Hit enter, pass the password, whatever your password is, and you can see it's going to remove. Okay, hit yes whenever it asks. Try to hit yes. Okay, so see, it's uninstalling the program, right? Yep. So now what I will do, let me cross verify. So gim ampersand, right? So let me see if we have something or not. So you can see I'm getting some messages over here. Sudo apt install gimp, command gimp not found but can be installed with this command. Means, it means press Ctrl C. Means there is gimp package is there, but it is not installed yet. Because why it's not installed? We just concluded it, right? We just removed it. And what was the command we run? That's the command. So yes, I hope this command. So guys, I'm preparing one notes also, I will share with you. Okay, so what are the commands I'm running? So right now I run a command to remove the software, right? So to remove the software. And how to remove the software? Let me type it over here. Just paste this command. I will share with every one of you, so you will have a benefit of that. Okay, so you can directly run from it, will be so much handy with you. So sudo apt minus get remove, and to cross verify, let me hit a note. To cross verify, does it or has is it removed or not? To cross verify, is it removed or not? How to cross verify, is it removed or not? In order to cross verify, okay, what I will do, I will paste here. Okay, so in order to cross verify, again I am trying to open the software using GIMP, let's say an ampersand, right? So it's shown you the message. The output will be something like it's not installed. So like this. So like this you will get the message. And one more thing I want to share with you. Just you should sure like here, go to your device, and here drag and drop should be bidirectional, shared clip part should be bidirectional. If not, just click it here, then only will copy paste outside of the Linux and all. So I hope this video helped you a lot how to install and uninstall. So yep, let's meet on the next class.